welcome to my channel. My name is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠. This is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'S Wish. I got some mail. This is a birthday gift from Gigi from MVP Nail Designs. And this is, what the hell? This is July's Sparkle & Co. I know I just put one up, but for the first time I actually got mine quick. So, let's get into it. Hold on. Okay, I got the pink bag on my lap. Let's get into this. What's this say? Here are the goodies I'm sending you for your birthday. Sorry they are so late. I got super busy. I hope you like them and have fun with them. Thank you for being such a great friend. Love, Gigi. She didn't have to do this. I told her she didn't have to do this. So, oh, okay, we don't even have to. There's little neon stars. Neon ombre. Ombre. Why did I say ombre like it's like a dude? A Spanish dude. Ombre? Is that the word? Ribbons. And then we got, what are those? Butterflies. And we got dots and, is it dots too? Yeah, dots and circles. And then we have Mickey heads. So thank you, Gigi. You really didn't have to do this. It was so sweet of her. My birthday was in June. I mean, after you hit 50, you're going up, and then it's downhill. You don't even want to talk about it after that. But thank you, hon. I'll leave her link down below. She does have a website now. And Sparkle & Co. So they do have a good rewards program. I do like that. What do we have here? It is, there's more. 80s theme. I was a teenager. Let me see. I was born in '68, so I was 12 in 1980. And then I had my first kid in 1987, so the 80s really sucked for me. So let me get these things open, and I'll get back to you. Okay, excuse the bag crinkling, but look at how bright. It's a fanny pack, and it's that plasticky stuff. I mean, I'm sure everything from Sparkle & Co is good quality. It's not gonna fall apart. That's what the front looks like. I'm not taking it out. I don't wear fanny packs. Everybody's going gaga over this 80s thing. But people who were born in the 80s have a totally different perspective than people who were teenagers during the 80s. So, there's that. Not a fan. I tried to skip it, but I was too late. Now, in the organza bag, you got little green thingies. You got, I love the 80s. I hated the 80s. I still hate the 80s. Worst music, worst style, and roller skates. So, I know everybody thinks I bitch a lot too, but you know what? If I pay the money for it, I'm allowed to bitch. And then, I don't know, are these the people that work there? Or are these part of a show? I don't know. Sparkle, Fairy, Molly, Brooke, and Amber. Girls just want to have fun manis. That's all they really want. And I think this is a sticker. Yeah. So you could stick that somewhere. I'm not gonna say where. And then they sent a neon yellow. They were all different colors, but my lucky ass got the neon yellow. scrunchie, which I'm never going to use. No, will the only one that I would think could use it would be my granddaughter, but she's so emo and so dark in nature that, yeah, so they always send one extra liquid, and this month it was base bond, so that's always good to have a new base coat. So we got that. We got this pretty purple polish. I really like this one. It's called Berry Lip Smacker. I remember the big fat lip balms. I remember those. Then there was this extra thing. That glow though. And this is glow powder. And they send you a jar to mix it with. To mix it with other stuff. I don't know. There'll be instructions on the card. And then you have this little keychain that says that glow though with Sparkle & Co.'s thing, and I think you can charge it. I'm not sure. That's what I heard or I saw. I don't know where you would charge it though. But you hit that light and you can go, look at my nails are glowing. My nails. So there's that. I don't know what I'm going to do with that either. And then we got the powders. So this one is called, it's called, I'm going to put your freaking other glasses on because you can't see, you old blind bitch. That's what it's called. No, it's not called that. It's called Wake Me Up Before You Glow. Don't leave me hanging here. So that is what the powder looks like. I want to say it's in a clear base. Yeah, it's in a milky clear base maybe, with these hollow, no, what the hell am I talking hollow? I knew that was going to slide down. These neon flakies in it. So yeah, there's that. Oh good. There's that, and then we have highlighter and high bangs. I didn't have high bangs. I had high bangs in the 70s when my mother sent every one of us down the street to this lady. I swear she did everybody's bangs within a 3-mile radius. And yeah, so I don't remember no stupid short bangs or even having bangs. You had feathered hair in the 80s. What the hell? Highlighters and high bangs. So that's it. It's just like a cream, if that, like a cream, a solid, I guess. There's really there's no shimmer or sparkle to that. That's just some that's on my hand. So there's that one. And then we got another, is this a cream? Yep. Cream solid. This one's called Material Girl. I remember Madonna coming to Worcester. It was called the Worcester Centrum. And she got booted for masturbating on stage and banned from Massachusetts. I don't know if she's still banned, but back then that was kind of a big thing if you masturbate on stage. I mean, I don't care, but I wasn't going to see Madonna anyways. Anyways, just another Manny Monday. This is pretty much the only one that I like, but then again, it's rather neon. Don't look at my ugly nails. Don't judge. Well, you can judge. I don't care. I'm judging this bag. Don't judge me. I don't care. So yeah, there's this one. And then you get your, is that it? Yeah. This is it. Back to the 80s. Light bright. These caboodle things. I didn't even know My Little Pony came out during then. That's how I remember the Rubik's Cube. What the hell is the Jets? Was that a band? Joan Jett? There was Joan Jett, and there was the Jetsons, but that Jetsons before that. The Lip Smacker, awesome. The TV. I don't even know. I had a pair of these. I had a boombox. I remember Michael Jackson. I remember making mixtapes. I remember making mixtapes for a dude in jail that I met while I was in jail. His friend's wife was my roommate, so he sent a bunch of pics of different guys from Walpole, and we all just picked the one we wanted, and just became like pen pals and shit like that. And I remember making him mixtapes, but you couldn't send a mixtape. You couldn't send it or bring it in to the jail. So my nephew and I would seal it up so it looked like a brand new one. Fun fact, yeah, I was in jail a long time ago. I've done my time. So what's in the July subscription? Anything? The gel polishes were Light Bright All Night. I Want to Skate with Somebody, and Let's Make a Mixtape, because they got the I Want It All bag, which is gel polishes, dips. There's 5 dips, but with the Luxe I get 4. They get an extra dip, plus they get all this extra hoodiddly stuff. So yeah. Dip, gel, liquid, base bond, or gel thinner, because there is a gel bag. If you only want gel polish, there is a gel polish bag that you can get, and they'll be like this but in gel, and an extra one if you get the, oh no, you can't get the I Want It All is I Want It Everything. Monthly tip: to use a glow powder, an empty jar container, add 1 teaspoon of your preferred dip powder to 1/2 teaspoon of glow powder, 2 parts dip powder to 1 part glow powder. Make sure to add lid and shake and mix thoroughly. To activate the glow, put nails under LED lamp for a few seconds. Use your LED keychain, iPhone, flashlight, or charge in the sunlight. The longer you charge, the longer your nails will glow. I don't understand the obsession with people's nails glowing. I just don't get it. But whatever. So yeah, that was this month's bag. I'm really not feeling it. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Anybody else interested in it? Because I'm not adverse to putting some stuff in here and sending it to you. So let me know. Don't put enter me. If I see an enter me, I'm deleting your comment. I don't care if you're my best freaking friend and I know you. Just say if you're interested in it. Just say, oh, I like that. And if you're international and you want it, I can't cover the cost of international. I can ship this to anybody in the United States. But if you're international and you want it, just be like, oh yeah, that's nice. I'd definitely pay shipping for that. You know, we don't want to know this is kind of like a giveaway, because it's not a giveaway. It's just like I don't want it. And I told them that. I said I'll give it away. So, yeah. The only thing that I would keep, though, is this polish, because you know I like nail polish. So, but everything else, you can have the scrunchie. In the card, you can't have the card because that's got my code on it. So, and you can have the base bond. So all you would need to do, I probably got an extra activator I can throw in there. So I'll throw a few other things in, but please don't put enter me or anything like that. Just say, oh, I wish I had that. And if you're international and you're willing to pay shipping, if you're not willing to pay shipping, don't even bother. Don't waste my time. So anybody who's in the US, just say, I wish I had that. You can put other comments. You know, that's a nice bag. I like this color. Yada yada yada. Blah blah blah. I wish I had that, because that's what I'm gonna put inside the random picker thing. And if you're international, just say, I wish I had that. I'd pay shipping. And that's it. So yeah, and I'll put them all back in their little things and make sure everything's nice and tight and cozy. And I might stick them in here and ship it that way inside one of those priority bags. And yeah, so, and I'll add a few other things. You know me, I'll just add shit. So that's it, guys. Thank you, Gigi, for my lovely birthday gift. I know I just sat here and ragged for like 15 minutes on neon colors. I'm so hot. I'm so done with summer. It's like all you need is one neon mani and get it out of your system, and that's it. Okay, done. So that's it, guys. You remember to like, share, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y crap. Leave me a comment down below. I do try to respond to all comments. If not, I give them a heart if I'm not in the mood to talk. And yeah, so tell me what you think. What's your favorite thing? And you know what to do. Bye, guys. I forgot to show these stickers that came in the box. I just saw them. So yeah, that will go with everything. So, alright, now I'm done.